In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get started with Microsoft Teams for remote and online learning. If you're new to the platform, don't worry. I'll walk you through the essentials so you can set up a smooth, organized, and engaging virtual classroom. Let's begin with accessing Microsoft Teams. You can use Teams right in a web browser or download the desktop app. It's available on Windows, Mac, and mobile devices, so choose what works best for you. The easiest way to start is to search for Microsoft Teams using your preferred search engine, then head to the official Microsoft website. From there, you can download the app or open Teams directly in your browser. If you decide to use the app, make sure it's updated to the latest version. Keeping Teams current gives you the newest features, better performance, and fewer compatibility hiccups. Once Teams is open, think of it as a flexible hub for learning. It's designed to bring conversations, content, and meetings together in one place, which is especially helpful when classes are spread across different subjects and schedules. A key feature for education is creating a team or community. This becomes your central space for teaching and collaboration. Inside a team, you can post announcements to keep everyone informed, share schedules so students know what's coming up, upload assignments and resources, and communicate with your learners, all in one organized feed. To get started, go to the Teams section and create a new team or community. After it's created, add your students and set up channels for different subjects or topics. Clear names like math, science, or resources make it easy for everyone to find what they need. You can also organize files in each channel so handouts, slides, and worksheets are neatly stored and always accessible. To keep your class timeline on track, use the built-in calendar to post schedules. This helps reduce confusion and keeps everyone aligned, especially when you're juggling multiple classes. To schedule a class, click the Calendar tab on the side, choose New Meeting, and enter the class details such as the title, date, time, and attendees. If the class repeats weekly, set it to repeat so it appears automatically. That way, your schedule stays consistent without extra work. This quick overview gives you a solid starting point for using Microsoft Teams in remote learning. It's a powerful platform that supports both educators and students and makes online learning more interactive and efficient. Thanks for watching. If this helped, please like, subscribe, and click the bell so you don't miss future uploads.